It's Halloween time, so we'll all be watching scary movies and dressing up in scary costumes. But what's more scary than Halloween? How about real life? Things like losing your job or losing your home or losing a spouse are real life horrific events. And unfortunately, those things happen every day. Losing a job and having a reduction of income can be very stressful and scary. Hopefully, that's just temporary if you can find a new job right away. But sometimes it takes about 6 months to find a job that pays similar to the one you lost. Losing your home is more scary than Halloween for sure. Facing foreclosure or eviction is stressful, not only losing the roof over your head, but all the memories tied up in your home. Plus, dealing with relocating or replacing a home. Losing a spouse to divorce or death is definitely much worse than anything Halloween can dish out. The emotional scars and the significant financial impacts are catastrophic. If you're facing any of these scenarios, just know that you're not alone. These devastating situations are faced by tens of thousands of people on a daily basis. But once you begin to collect yourself emotionally, it's time to focus on recovery. Know that you have options to save your home, your automobile, and cut your expenses to match your reduced income. For example, a Chapter 7 can eliminate medical bills and credit cards, eliminate repossession and foreclosure deficiencies, and debt owed to your landlord or utility companies. And a Chapter 13 bankruptcy can permanently stop a foreclosure to save your home. If you're facing any of these situations, please feel free to visit our website at www.kansascitybankruptcy.com or call for a free initial consultation with an attorney to see whether bankruptcy may help you deal with these very scary situations.